Welcome to the Quote Owl channel. This video includes inspirational quotes. We created artwork for each quote we select and display the artwork along with the quotes in the video. We hope you enjoy the video as much as we do. I'm not a science experiment. I'm a human being. I'm not a mistake. I'm not a freak. I'm not less than. I'm not a charity case. I'm not someone to pity. I'm not someone to ignore. I'm a human being. I'm not the best, but I'm striving to be my best. I'm not afraid of failure. I'm afraid of succeeding at things that don't matter. I'm not a burden. I'm a blessing. I'm not defined by my circumstances. I'm defined by my choices. I'm not a victim. I'm a victor. I'm not a mistake. I'm not a problem to be solved. I'm not a burden. I'm not an embarrassment. I'm not a charity case. I'm not someone to pity. I'm a human being. I'm not discouraged because every wrong attempt discarded is a step forward. I'm not a disability, I'm a gift. I'm not a burden because I'm blind or deaf or wheelchair bound. I'm a burden because people see me as one. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then please click the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to get notified when future videos are released. We look forward to seeing you at the next video.